Hello everyone, I am Usha HS, final year BCA of Maharani Science College for Women, Mysore. Here I am going to talk about Microsoft Cloud. In this we learn defining Microsoft Cloud, Microsoft most in demand cloud services. Microsoft provide 5 different customer support options for Azure, Microsoft Azure Cloud Services, benefits of Microsoft Azure Cloud, disadvantages of Microsoft Azure Cloud. Let's continue. What is Microsoft Cloud? Microsoft Azure is a cloud computing service from Microsoft. Azure offers a range of software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. Option for deploying applications and services on Microsoft managed data center infrastructure. The Azure platform aims to help businesses manage challenges and meet their organization goals. Microsoft charges for Azure on a pay-as-you-go basis. Microsoft provides 5 different customer support options for Azure. There are Basic, Developer, Standard, Professional Direct, and Premier. These customer support plans varies in terms of scope and price. Basic support is available to all Azure accounts, but Microsoft charges a fees for the other support offerings. For example, developer support costs $29 per month, while standard support costs $100 per month, and professional direct support is $1,000 per month. And finally, Microsoft does not disclose the pricing for premier support. The following are some of Microsoft's most in-demand cloud services. Microsoft Azure. Azure is Microsoft's big enterprise cloud. MS Office, MS Windows Intune, Microsoft SQL Server with MS System Center, Enterprise Mobility Suite, Microsoft Visual Studio. Microsoft sorts Azure Cloud Services. Microsoft Azure consists of numerous services offerings. Its use cases are extremely diverse. Running virtual machine or container in the cloud is one of the most popular uses of Microsoft Azure. This compute resource can host infrastructure components such as domain name system, Windows Server services such as Internet Information Services. Microsoft also supports the use of third-party operating system such as Linux. Azure is also commonly used as a platform for hosting database in the cloud. Microsoft offers serverless relational database such as Azure SQL and non-relational database such as NoSQL. In addition, the platform is frequently used for backup and disaster recovery. Many organizations use Azure storage as achieved in order to meet their long-term data retention requirement. First, we know mobile services. These products help developer build cloud applications for mobile devices, providing notification services, support for back-end tasks, tools for building application program interface. Web services. These services support the development and deployment of web applications. They also offer features for search, content delivery, application program interface management, notification and reporting. Storage services. This category of services provide scalable cloud storage for structured and unstructured data. It also supports big data projects, persistent storage and archival storage. Integration services. These are services for server backup, site recovery, and connecting private and public cloud. Internet of Things. These services help users capture, monitor, and analyze IoT data from sensor and other devices. Services include notifications, analytics, monitoring, and support for coding and execution. Development. These services help application developers share code, test applications, and track potential issues. Azure supports a range of application programming languages including JavaScript, Python, NET, and Node.js. Tools in category also include support for Azure Develops, Software Development Kit, and blockchain. Security. This product provides capabilities to identify and respond to cloud security threats, as well as manage encryption keys and other sensitive assets. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. This is a wide range of services that a developer can use to infuse artificial intelligence, machine learning, and cognitive computing capabilities into applications and data sets. Database. This category include database as a service offering for SQL and NoSQL as well as other database instance. It also include Azure SQL data warehouse support and hybrid database integration and migration features. Azure SQL is a platform flagship database services. It is a relational database that provide SQL functionalities without the need of deploying a SQL servers. Benefits of Microsoft Azure Cloud Services, Azure Cloud Services and Data Security. Microsoft Azure Cloud Security Center improves scalability and business sustainability, simple and effective disaster recovery, advanced data analytics and business insights, integration capabilities and mobile workforce management. Disadvantages of Microsoft Azure Cloud: lack of Hyper-V snapshot support, inability to upload custom images, provisioning virtual machines in a cloud takes longer than on-premise, lack of integrated backup, poor management GUI and tools, no access to Windows client images. These are the sum of reference from which I have collect this information. Thank you.